Welcome back, trappers. We have an update on the fog lights, and they kind of get a bad review, and I'm going to show you why. They look kind of cool, but yeah, I'm not going to give them a good review. The first ones that we had, I had one of them, the entire bar wouldn't light up, and these are still a little disappointing. They light up, kind of. Let's show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright, there's the fog lights. I added a LED strip there in the bottom air dam. We got the underglow on. They look pretty bright. They look good. Here in the camera you can't really tell what the problem is. I don't think many people will see it. I'll show you here. We'll get a little closer look maybe if it doesn't blind the camera completely. Let's look. Okay, here we go. Yeah, you see that? All those LEDs light up. Those look real nice. Alright, let's come over here. There's the bottom LED in the air dam. I just tucked it up underneath. It's a waterproof LED, and it just runs across there to illuminate the bottom air dam with the fog lights. More of an accent. Okay, let's check this side out, guys. See if you guys notice. Yeah, you see? These three LEDs on this side don't light up. They're dead LEDs. I don't know, maybe they'll come on or something, but they don't light up. And from a distance, when you can actually see the LED strip, I know it's hard to tell because the light just floods the lens on the camera out. But yeah, it's shorter and you can tell it. Let's see if we can back up a little bit. Yeah, it just floods out the camera. The best way is to get up close, but yeah, it definitely looks shorter. So these Alpina LEDs from Walmart, I'm not going to give them a good review, guys. We had one that was completely like the three here on the side. The entire bar was like that, and it just didn't light up. So we returned them, and that's what we got when we returned them. So I guess it's still better. I'm not going to return them in the middle of an apocalypse for this. So I'm going to give that one a thumbs down, guys. It's still kind of neat. Kind of robs the look that I was going for, because you really can tell when you look at the truck that this side's not quite right. It's okay. There's plenty bright out here. It lights up pretty nice. In the fog, it should do pretty good. The color change on the LED, or the underglow. But it lights up pretty good out here in my driveway, you can see. So hopefully it'll help with the fog situation. It can't hurt. It's definitely just some more light. It looks good. I wish you guys could tell a little better without it flooding the lens out on the camera so bad. See, it's even kind of messing with the focus here a little bit. So that's what we got, guys. Yeah, they're kind of flooding out the camera here, but you can definitely tell that this one's off. I wish we could see it better in the camera, guys. I know it's going to be so bright, but you can definitely tell that they are not the same length because of that. So since there's two of them double barred like this, it kind of throws the whole look off a bit. So yeah, thumbs down with that, guys. I'm not very happy with those. Those are Alpina brand, A-L-E-P-E-N-A, something like that. You guys seen them in the other video. Not cool, guys. So that kind of sucks, but it's okay. They're still bright. They're alright. Maybe if the apocalypse ever ends, I'll just go buy a whole nother set and just replace this one side. But we'll have to see how that goes. Let's get the headlights on and see how it looks with the headlights. Alright, here it is with the headlights, guys. Nice and bright, nice and bright. Definitely floods the camera out. It's too much light, really. But they look real good, real sharp. The light in the front air dam is kind of neat. I definitely need to get another light in the grill, kind of balance that out a little bit. But it definitely brings a little bit to the front of this truck. It adds a bit. Hopefully the fog lights are purpose driven and they work as well as they look here in the fog when I need them to. And that time of year is here, guys. We've had a lot of rain. I suspect we'll get more rain. The temperature's coming up. The ground's still cold. That creates a good scenario for fog. So we'll get to test these out, and we'll really see how they do. I have a feeling they're going to help out a bit, and those would be real nice. And they're on their own switch inside. They were on the switch for the LEDs that the grill were in, and most likely I'll probably just wire all those together if I add anything here in the grill. But kind of waiting on something for this grill before I really do anything to it. The apocalypse kind of has me on hold. All this crap going around has the rest of my projects on hold for now. So hopefully everything can get back to normal. We can continue. I can get this grill project done up here the way I wanted, and we'll move forward with the rest of the projects and the rest of our summer, guys, hopefully. But if not, I'm going to do what I can. We'll probably have a lot more activities, things like that going on, more episodes of Trapped Out Whips, and we'll probably just leave the projects alone for a little while, guys, mostly due to funding. So the projects will be on hold, but we'll still have plenty of footage of what we're doing and the fun that we're having with what we've done with the project so far. There's a lot here, guys, so it's not like we're going to be bored. I would presume we're going to have some form of entertainment all summer, no matter what, whether we're on quarantine, lockdown, or everything picks back up. We're gonna have a good time. Man, the underglow just kills around these wheels. Man, I definitely want to get some footage of this thing in motion. I haven't done that yet. Get you guys an idea of what it looks like as we're driving past. I'd like to be in a spot where I can have the stereo on and the windows down a little bit, so it'll flood out as you go past, give you an idea of really how loud this thing is, not just inside the vehicle but outside. I think that'd be real neat to do. So we'll be planning and doing things like that, guys. Man, there's not much driveway on this side. You see the inside lit up. We don't have the dome lights on right now. I wanted to pretty much just showcase the front of this, but I always like to go around and give everybody a good look in case you're new to the channel. If you are new to the channel, get in there, hit the like button on this video, make sure you hit the notification bell, hit subscribe, and make sure you check us out. Follow us on Facebook, and like and share, guys. The more you share, the more we grow. The more the entire channel will prosper, and as it prospers is the more content and footage of things that I can bring you, and that will be our source of entertainment, guys. That's what we're working on. So we got this loud train coming, and I think I'm going to end this for the night, and that's it for the fog lights, guys. Sorry for the disappointment. Maybe we'll go back later and fix this, but as of right now, we're just going to leave this alone for now. That's what it is. There goes Justin in his Mustang right there. Boom. He's in the spotlight. See, guys, not everything goes exactly as planned, always the way I wanted to. Sometimes hit or miss, and this is one of those things that's it's a little off, it's a little miss. It's alright, I suppose. Not exactly what I intended, it's not exactly the way I want it, but it's okay. I'm sorry about this train in the background. Anyway, you guys don't need to listen to train anyway. I apologize for that. It's loud. But that's just one of those things, guys. It's a miss. So that's it for that. We missed on that one. It's still okay. It's still alright. But yeah, we're gonna give that one a thumbs down. That's a no-go, guys. but we're gonna leave it. It's okay, and we're just gonna move on to something else.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.